Today, guys, I'm going to do a Gmod clip. It's all about survival. In a very rare circumstance that you get yourself into in this map called Richland. This is Richland Day, not Richland Night. Richland Night's a lot cooler because it looks cooler. Almost everything works in this entire map. You got some friggin' coffee mugs. You got your little chairs. And now, see this kitchen? I'm going to help all of you who have fallen victim to this kitchen today by showing you how to survive this kitchen. You guys, most of you haven't played this map. You just looked, it's a normal kitchen, right? Nothing out of the ordinary here. You know, just perfectly fine kitchen. Guess what? Now remember, as soon as you enter this kitchen, if you fall victim to it, and you see this little thing right next to the kitchen door, and then you see this thing seal behind you, and you see this green gas pump out and start to kill you, remember, remain calm. Whatever you do, remain calm. Try to see if you can make your way to the medicine cabinet, get out your duplicator, and try to duplicate the health inside of the fridge. Then be sure to shut the fridge door. I already did that. But be sure to shut the fridge door. Now when you make a sufficient little pile of health packs, get out your fizz gun if you haven't already, and push that door over there. Don't worry about breaking the map or something, because if you turn it off, which you can only do from the outside. Oh my god, that freaking chair exploded and hit me apparently. Because that thing came back. Because it'll always come back. And then we can go back in. One sec. We can go back in here. And as you see, it will still work. So don't worry about destroying the map or anything. So you guys, I'd have to say, what the fuck was that? I'd have to say the main tip for this would be to stay calm. That's all you have to do if you want to make this successful. You have to stay calm. See you later, guys.